Welcome back, my sweet viewers! Today's episode, I'll be sharing to all of you how I decorate this beautiful leopard print cake. Let's get started. To start, check out how smooth my Swiss meringue buttercream is. So, if you want to learn how to make a perfect Swiss meringue buttercream, I'll be uploading soon my tutorial, so better check that out. Now, I'm applying the first layer of our buttercream. FYI, the cake is frozen, and the reason why I froze it is to help me to frost this cake and to make it more smoother. Frosting a frozen cake, for me, it's more manageable. Trust me, it makes your life more easier. Now let's apply the second layer of our icing. I move a bit of my camera for a closer look. You see how smooth the buttercream is? I'm so obsessed with my Swiss meringue buttercream. Okay, let's make our edible gold paint. All we need are vodka and edible gold luster dust. We'll put a small amount of vodka, then a bit of gold luster dust, and just give it a mix. And that's it. Very easy. Now let's start painting our cake. So before painting, make sure to freeze it for about 30 minutes. You don't want to paint your cake with soft frosting because it may ruin the smoothness of your cake. For the black paint, I use the Alma's edible paint, or you can actually use a gel food coloring. No need to mix with anything, just as it is. For the final touch, I will pipe some leftover icing on top and some French macaroons. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating with me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.